Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, and I'll just continue on with my daily options challenge. Last time we left off was on a Friday. I mentioned the upward momentum was slowing down and I was anticipating a down day for Monday. Now so far, the market is up, but barely, just 0.02%. And we are about 4 minutes to market close. So there's still a chance that I can make money on this. If we zoom in here from the daily into the 1 minute chart, we can fast forward through this bit. And the final price it ended on is 6,001, up 0.1% from yesterday, meaning it did go up and I was wrong and I lost the $228. Even if I was bullish on Friday for today's close, I don't think I would have made money because it didn't go up very much. So I may have bought like a 6,005, 6,010 bull call spread, in which case this would have expired worthless as well and it would have made nothing. But so far for this month, even with today's loss, I'm still up 456. Now what about for tomorrow? I'm going to continue to stay bearish because this looks to be a setup for a downward move on Tuesday with a spinning top. So the market closed at pretty much 6,000. If I look up the table for November 12th, Tuesday, I can maybe buy the 6,005 and sell the 6,000 and pay 214, maybe 215.
Order filled.
All right, so that filled at 220. And basically that put spread, this one right here, is going to be just $5 less than the bear put spread that expired worthless today. And today is Tuesday, the market's just closed. It is indeed a down day, which is good for my put spread. I paid $223, now it should be $5, not $5.20, so this will be adjusted, and my total profit for today would be $277. It's rare to see a down day like this, but I thought if the market were to have a pullback, it would probably be today, which leads us into tomorrow. I think this will likely continue because if we just look at the price from a line perspective, you can see this nice archway, and if that continues, then the price would likely come back down and retest the green 9 EMA to see if there is still strength in the market to continue going higher. So I'm going to look for like a 59.85 strike and buy the put and sell the 59.80 to 110. It's a bit low. So in order to get to a more balanced 250, 250, I'm going to try one strike higher, 59.90, 59.85. That'll be 230.
Order filled.
Okay, so there's the put spread there, 59.90, 59.85, and hopefully it stays below 59.85 tomorrow, which is right here, this purple line. So we will see where tomorrow's candle will land. If it continues going lower, below 59.85, then I think it may just continue going down for the rest of the week. But if it closes above this line and the put spread I made today becomes worthless, then this could be a temporary bounce and things could be going higher for Thursday and Friday. So let's see what happens. And there's 1 minute left for today, Wednesday. I will make the most money if it closes below this purple line and lose the most money if it closes above here. And somewhere in the middle, I will break even. So we'll see where this final candle lands to finish off the trading session. If it closes right around here, then I'm basically break even. Okay, a little bit lower. So that's pretty close to my ideal target of 59.85. In terms of tomorrow, I think the market will be going up. So 59.85 is here. That's going to be a little bit expensive. I'm going to go one strike higher to the 90 and 95, and I'll see if I can get that for around 240 or 245. Okay, so that is a bull call at 59.90, 59.95. Expiring tomorrow. That's this one right here. In terms of my progress for this month, I am up $960, which is pretty nice, with a much better win ratio of 6-2 compared to last month. For yesterday's trade, even though I thought the market was going to go down, the next session, which is today, it actually went up because the market closed today 1.39 points higher. However, it's a rare occurrence that even though I was wrong in which direction the market is going to go, I ultimately still made a profit because my put spread was already slightly in the money when I put it on. So that's very fortunate there. And even though I got the direction wrong, I'm still going to count this as a win because the final result was a profit. So let's go to tomorrow and see if this bull call that I put in will work out. Okay, on Thursday's close, the market went down. So my bull call did not work out, and that was a loss. Now for the next day, I'm expecting the market to turn up, so I'll put on another bull call spread. So I have a 59.50 and 55 bull call expiring tomorrow, Friday, on November 15th, that I purchased for 243. So we'll see how that goes. And the market just closed down quite a bit, 1.32% to finish at 58.70, which means that option spread from yesterday is now expiring today, worthless, and I lost 243 on that. What about for Monday next week? Well, if we take a look at the SPY, because of the strong bounce at the end of the day, plus closing above the 21 EMA, it's likely that it's going to find some kind of support around this area. So I think for Monday, the buyers from the heavy traded area around here will jump back in, like what happened today, and ultimately push the price higher. So I'm going to go with a bullish trade here, maybe buying the 58.80 and selling the 58.85 bull call for 250. See if I can get it for 245.
Order filled.
Okay, so that filled at 245. And now we'll see what happens on the 18th. Hopefully we'll get an update. Okay, today is Monday, and we did indeed get a bounce. And my options from Friday is now with $5, so that is a profit of 252. For tomorrow, I think the price is likely to continue moving up because it has firmly bounced off this blue 21 EMA. So for November 19th, I will buy an at the money call spread around 5895. That's a little expensive, so I will choose one strike higher.
Order filled.
And that filled at 245. So 5905 is right here. So we'll see how that one goes. As of the second week of this month, which is pretty much halfway through, I was profitable 7 days and unprofitable for 4 days, with my total being 721 so far, which is already better than last month. So I'll continue this for the rest of November and see how things go.